First, let's make sure Steam has full permission to write and modify files. This error usually appears because Steam can't access or edit a game file due to restricted Windows privileges. Close Steam completely. Click on Steam in the top left corner and choose Exit. Now, go to your desktop or the Start menu. Find your Steam shortcut. Go to Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply. Okay, now, Steam will always launch with full system rights. All right, Method 2. In Steam, click Steam. Settings. Storage. You'll see your game library folder here, usually on the C or D drive. Click the 3 dots. Next to your main library, then select Repair folder. Once it completes, close that window. Next, inside Steam Settings, go to Downloads, then click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you it needs to restart. Click Confirm. When it restarts, Steam rebuilds its cache and refreshes download privileges.